How to use Etoro. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath and today I'll guide you on how you can use Etoro. Now, the registering is free. You can easily sign up and create an account here and log into the account real quick. Now on the home page you'll find an interface like this. Now here you can see, if you scroll down below, you'll be able to see such posts and such here, as you can see here. Similarly, now if you head over to Watchlist, you'll be able to view your watchlist. You can easily add your watch list for different stakes and different portfolios as well. Now if you head over to portfolio, you'll be able to view your portfolio. You can see mine is empty. You can see the deposit option there as well. You can use it in order to deposit to make some transactions. Now here, similarly, if you head over to discover, now here is the interesting part. What you can do is you'll be able to view other traders. You'll be able to see their profile. You can see 24.2k copiers and 30.11% return, that is 12 million. And similarly here you can see for every other traders. What you can do is you can tap on the profile, open them up, and you can copy them as well. So here I'm not getting the option to copy. Here I'm not verified, maybe that's why, but you'll have to verify your account. So you can go ahead onto their profile and you can copy them. Now if you tap and open on their profile, so if you scroll down below, you'll be able to see other similar traders and you can copy them as well. So you can tap on copy. Now in my case, you can see it's showing up due to regulatory constraints. This trader is restricted to view only mode. Now this is not the issue with the app or the wallet. Now it's the issue with mine account. I haven't verified it. Similarly, if you head over to wallet, you'll be able to view your wallet here. You can see your total value, your portfolio, your investment account. You can get the application as well. Now unfortunately I'm unable to show you all the options through the applications. So on the overview on discover, you'll be able to find stocks, you'll find crypto, you can see EFTs as well. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.